Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In today's class we will learn bird's name. So are you all ready? Very good. So let's start. Pigeon, owl, sparrow, crow, kiwi, parrot, eagle, kingfisher, vulture, duck, peacock, penguin, bulbul. Now, these are the names of some birds. Now you can see here are some questions related to birds. So you can see number 1, which is our national bird? So you will write here peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Now number 2 is which is the night bird? Owl. So you will write here OWL, owl. Number 3 you can see which birds swim in water? Here you can write duck and swam. Number 4. What color beaks do parrots have? Red. Which bird is known as the singing bird? Nightingale. So this is all about today's class, children. In today's class we learned bird's name and some of the questions related to birds. Meet you in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.